Hello, I'm Sarah from the Scientific Fab Lab from ICTP. This year we took part of the Biševo island experience. It is an island in the middle of the Adriatic. 3 challenges were given to us. One was water saving, island mapping, and the last was plastic recycling. These challenges perfectly fit our Fab Lab's values. So it was a good occasion to field test our experiment, such as plastic recycling, where we used an extruder which works with the sun energy. And we also mapped the ground of the sea of the island. The Adriatic Green Lab is a beautiful experience where makers from all over Europe meet, and it is a great opportunity to team building and knowing other makers, so we can build an international net.
Hi, my name is Gaia Fior. I work as a Fab Lab assistant at ICTP's Scifablab in Trieste, Italy. Biševo's first Maker Island was an invaluable experience that really gave us the idea of what the problems in an island are and what the maker's solutions could be. Experiences like this one give the opportunity to get together people with different expertise and really give them the possibility in the place where the problem is to find a solution, coming with new possible ideas.